Get ready. We got Hollandale's own Willie Miller and the Hollandale All-Stars. Come on with it.
doorbells ring, and every rich man's prayer, you gotta. Oh, she didn't bat an eye. As I be in the back right here, and if this guy would be back there in my ear, he used to always handle me a little rough a little bit. He said, come on, let me show you how this go. Come on now. There's my friend getting ready to come up. He said, where that boy be on the mic at? You know, I got to take care of this boy right here. I was like, okay, sir. So it got to be a tradition where, hell, I started looking for him. I said, well, as a living right here when they come up, where's Hank? So I want to just give a shout out to Hank Burdine, his family, and all of us that love Hank Burdine. Show some love for Hank. We love him, we miss him. He would go on the news, he would do everything he could possibly do to help someone or to actually help promote this festival. He would be up early in the morning on the TV, trying to get everybody, make sure you come down to the Hollandale Sam Chatmon's Blues Festival and see Libby Ray. But anyway, at this time right now,
all for Mr. Sam Chatmon, and today for Hank Burdine, too. It's the first song Sam ever taught me. I worked the summer and all the fall, trying to find my all and all. Now he's gone, I'm not worried. He left me sitting on top of the world. Baby days, you didn't know your name. Whoa, why should I worry and cry in vain? 'Cause you're gone, I'm not worried. You left me sitting on top of the world. Down in the station, down in the yard, they're gonna catch me a freight train. Lord, you know work done got hard. Now you're gone, I'm not worried. I am sitting on top of the world. Well, you needn't come running, holding up your hand. Or you could get you a woman quick as I can, a man. Now you're gone,